Babo, what you doing? Maxie! Max! Okay, we gotta sweep this up.
Oh no! We just put them all in the bag and he dumped them all again. Babo, no, Maxie! What am I gonna do? Get mad? Let Honey come in, she'll eat them all.
Honey! Come here, girl. Come on, honey. There she comes. Come on.
Come,
Come on in.
come on! Come on!
Here, eat this.
Wow, wow. Oh boy. Look, he's feeding them to her. Oh boy. He's getting them before. Hey, Maxie, come on.
No, they're dirty, Max.
Oh.